One more. Come on, dear child. You're fat for this. Come on. I need some water. Hello guys, we have some spicy noodles here again. I love spicy noodles, and these ones today, they just look so fiery. It's insane. I woke up this morning, I was craving some spicy noodles, so that's what we're gonna eat today. Oh, that looks tasty. Let's get some more of that. It tastes so sweet but fiery. I love it. That is spicy, I can't. Oh my god. I need some water. That's really good. I don't know how I'm taking this heat, but I am. So kudos to me. Yeah. So these are buffalo wings again. I know I said I didn't like them in the last video, but they were the only chickens there. Ooh. Hey. You see that? Loving it. McLoving it. Who do you know consistently eats spicy noodles like me? For round two. I just know my stomach is gonna be busting down after this. I keep sweating. Oh my god. This is too spicy. Look at these wings though. They look golden. They look great. Look at that. They tasty as hell. You know what? I take that back. Buffalo wings are actually good. It just brings out a new sort of sweetness that, oh, you have to taste. Look at how golden that wing looks. Now look at the wing with the sauce on. Does that not look tasty to you? Looks tasty to me. Mm. Mm. I feel like every time I'm eating food, I make these weird noises. Like, ooh, you know? Just ignore that for me. It's just my body adjusting to order meat. Pause. Mm. It's almost as if when the wing has got the sauce on it and it's close to your mouth, it's like seducing you, you know? It's like, you want to taste? In another life. Wow. These noodles are kicking me. I want you guys to tell me if you like my singing, okay? Don't laugh at me. I said when I ate these buffalo wings that you would come and save me. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's put these on top that make it look all dramatic and everything. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Ooh. Does that look dramatic enough? So if you've got any like suggestions of like foods I should eat for my next video, put them down in the comments because I will be checking. I miss these chicken wings. Come here, darling. You have been missed. Look at that bad boy. Look at all the juices on there. Mmm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Here goes nothing. Mm. One more. Come on. Come on, D'Angelo. You're fat for this. Come on. You can do it. I can do it. Mm. That's going to be it for today's video. If you guys, oh my god, my tongue is burning. Wait. that will be the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And I will see you soon.